guys, so we're gonna learn about crocodiles, alligators, butterflies, moths, fish, whales, bats, and birds. Let's start with crocodiles and alligators. Crocodiles and alligators are large animals with bodies covered with dry and bumpy scales. They have long, powerful tails which they use in swimming and defending themselves. Their eyes, ears, and nostrils are found on top of their long head and protect slightly above the water when they float on the surface. Alligators have shorter and wider heads that are more U-shaped, while crocodiles have longer and V-shaped head. The fangs of crocodiles stick out on each side of the lower jaw when their mouth is closed. Other animals that are covered with scales are lizards and snakes. Now, butterflies and moths. Butterflies and moths are both insects. They are so much alike that it is sometimes hard to distinguish one from the other. Both have two wings. They also have antennae, which they use for touching and smelling. They both hatch from caterpillars, which look like worms. Butterflies and moths have differences too. Butterflies have long, slender, and hairless bodies, while moths have chubby and furry bodies. Butterflies fly only during the day, and when resting, they fold their wings straight up. Moths usually fly at night, and when resting, they spread their wings flat. Look at the moth. Oh, yeah. Now, fish and whales. Oh, look, my baby lady is sleeping. Why is she crying? Whales look a lot like fish. Both have tails and fins, but there are some differences between these two animals. Whales have smooth, firm skin. Fish have scales. Whales have tails called flukes that they move up and down when they swim. Fish have tails that they swing from side to side. Whales breathe with lungs and most hold their breath underwater. They come to the water surface to breathe in fresh water. Air. Fish, on the other hand, breathe underwater by using their gills. Last one, bats and birds. Before, people used to think bats were birds without feathers. We now know that there is no such thing as a featherless bird. Look, I like birds the best. I like bats because I don't like vampire bats. Look, it is my foot reveal. Foot. Look at me. I don't have my face. This is my cell phone review. This is a long video. Bats are mammals and birds are part of the bird family. Bats have fur on their bodies like cats and dogs. Birds have feathers covering their bodies. Bats are born alive from their mother's body. What? A bird hatches from eggs. Baby bats are called pups. Say what? Pups drink milk from their mother. A baby bird eats worm and bugs that the mother brings. Ew, disgusting. Birds have wings. Bats have wings with arms that look like long fingers. I don't have long fingers. I have short fingers. Okay, so this is only a 4-minute video. Okay, so I have another video. This is about the blue book that Reese used. Bye. See you on the last video. Bye.